Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to get started on Spunky SDX mining. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do work to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. Spunky SDX is an AI-powered meme coin designed to track and monitor stolen assets on EVM chain like MetaMask. And your airdrop is currently ongoing where you can mine Spunky. So the link to this will be in the description box below. When you click on the link, all you need to do is sign up with your username, your email, your password. If you have a referral code, just input. So after that, you need to log in with your details. So here's the interface. When you are signing up for the first time, you find tasks at the bottom. You just perform all these tasks. You follow their channel, their Telegram channel, join their Discord, follow YouTube. They have Zilly tasks also. Follow their Telegram group, join their Medium and all that. So at the top you see your invitation link. If you click on it, the invitation link will be copied and you can share it with your friends to earn 100k points. Click on this rocket at the bottom, this rocket icon at the bottom. You see your rewards there, your level bonus. So the first one, when you get to 500k points, you'll be able to claim rewards. The second one, when you get to 900k, you'll be able to claim. The other one, 2 million, and that is how it goes. The second one is a leaderboard. You can get the leaderboard like the top 100 people here. So here is the mining interface. Here's the mining interface and where you can find your tasks. Perform all these tasks to get extra points. And then the second one is coming soon. The third one is your settings, your username, your email, and you can also log out here. While this at the top, you can either choose to leave it in dark mode or just leave it like this. So mining interval, the mining interval is within 24 hours. You can mine once in 24 hours, like you can activate your mining once in 24 hours. This airdrop is still very new. You can join now to earn a lot of points. That's all about Spunky SDX mining. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your question. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, more content like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in our next video.